Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so today I'm gonna make a tropical punch cocktail. And we're gonna make it with some strawberries and some nectarines, okay? And then also gonna use the tropical pineapple vodka. And we got Minute Maid juice, okay? And you're gonna need some ice. So this is what I'm using.
Okay, you guys. All right, so let's get started. Okay, first we're going to have the ice, okay? And we have the fruit, so I'm going to put the fruit in there. The strawberries and the nectarines, just add those to the glass. And then I'm going to add some ice, okay? And then you guys, I'm going to add a little bit more ice to that. Let me just get it. Okay, there we go. A little more ice to it, okay? And then we're going to add the tropical punch fruit juice. See? Tropical punch. All right. Just pour that in there. All right. Just a little bit more. And then I'm going to grab my pineapple vodka and add some pineapple vodka. Okay. There we go. All right, you guys. Next, we're going to stir all that together. Make sure it's mixed good. Then I'm going to add some more fruit to it. More strawberries and more nectarines, okay? Real quick and fast cocktail drink. Tropical punch cocktail drink, you guys. Really fast. But it's going to be delicious. Look at that. And there you have it. And there you have it. You have a tropical punch cocktail. It's delicious, you guys. You got to try it. For these hot summer days. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe.